Getting the perfect angle can be frustrating, especially when a small error can ruin the job. But what if one compact tool could measure angles and project three laser lines at the same time? That's what makes the UNT LM320F interesting. But can it really make precision work easier? Let's take a closer look. You'll find the product link in the description below.
The LM320F offers accurate digital angle measurement with an accuracy of around plus or minus 0.2 degrees and a resolution of plus or minus 0.05 degrees. It supports a measurement range of 4 by 90 degrees, making it useful for checking slopes, corners, and different working angles. One of its standout features is the 3 laser line system. These visible reference lines can help with alignment, positioning, and slope measurements, making the tool useful for construction, woodworking, installation, and DIY projects. The LM320F also includes an angle hold function, allowing you to lock the current reading on the display. This can be especially useful when working in tight or difficult-to-view areas.
Another convenient feature is the screen flip function, which makes the measurement easier to read depending on the tool's position. For hands-free operation, the LM320F features a 4-side magnetic holder. You can attach it to compatible metal surfaces and keep the tool stable while working. It also supports relative and absolute angle measurement, giving you more flexibility for different applications. Power comes from a 1,000 milliamp lithium battery, providing up to around 6 hours of operation. The USB Type-C charging port makes recharging convenient. The body combines an aluminum frame with ABS material, while its compact 84.5 by 70 by 35.5 millimeter size makes it easy to carry between jobs. Final verdict. Overall, the UNI-T LM320F combines digital angle measurement and laser alignment in one compact tool. Its accurate readings, 3 laser lines, magnetic mounting, and useful display features make it a practical choice for construction, woodworking, installation, and DIY projects. If you need a versatile tool for measuring angles and creating visible alignment references, the LM320F is definitely worth considering. If you found this review helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.